Hey there, I'm Kari from Chalk Couture, and I want to show you something that just has my heart. It's the newest designer starter kit, and though it looks like a simple box, it's actually a creator's dream. It includes our revolutionary and versatile Chalkology Paste and transfers, and the opportunity for you to create the business and life you've always dreamed of. When you create and then share the beautiful projects in this kit, not only can you make pretty things, you'll see the potential of this amazing product set, and you can empower others to do the same. Let's take a look inside. Chalk Couture transfers make it easy to quickly create high-end designs and come in a variety of sizes. We've included two of our most popular sizes, A and B, in your kit, each of which was specifically chosen to help you complete gorgeous finished projects that you can keep, share on social media, or even sell as finished goods. Best of all the transfers in our kit are perfectly paired with the surfaces included. This sweet and classic Kind Words transfer is a perfect evergreen design you could customize for any home. This piece is framed perfectly on our signature Aiden surface, and Chalkology Paste in bright white, sage, and our brand new On Vogue Golden Hour. Those colors, along with the sparkling Shimmer Melon and Ocean Mist, round out a hand-picked, decor-focused palette that feels as fresh as the new year. Our Chalkology Paste is a dreamy miracle that goes on quick and easy and dries to a hard, matte finish on almost any surface, and it stays put until you're ready to wash it off, so you can design, love, repeat to your heart's content. Once you get the hang of applying Chalkology Paste, you will love experimenting with layers and layout, as we've done here with the A-sized Dream Big transfer. This is right at home on our top-selling surface, the double-sided, oh-so-affordable board and base. You can even design it vertically or horizontally, perfect for the other 5x7 transfer in your kit, Country Kitchen. And last but definitely not least, the always darling Chalkable chips. These petite powerhouses are made from our durable, reusable boutique surface and are absolutely perfect for sharing your new creative passion. These iconic French country minis will make a big first impression as the perfect sample set for your friends and family as they give chalking a try. With a little creativity, a little time, and a little determination, you can take what's in this beautiful box and create something wonderful. If you're ready to join the high-end DIY revolution and start living the creative career you have always imagined, contact your Chalk Couture designer or visit chalkcouture.com and we'll help you get started today.